Now tell me, there is two experiment we have done. One is your in this one is your impulse momentum theorem, another one is your what linear acceleration. Have you done it or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, any doubt about of these two experiment, then we can repeat it.
Sir, first one.
First one means impulse and momentum. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let us we have to do this impulse and momentum. Are you clear? Today we have to repeat this impulse and momentum. All of you understand to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now tell me, what is the impulse formula?
Change in momentum.
No, impulse, I let yes, F into delta T. And what is the change in momentum? Del P equal to? Yes, M into del V. So can you mathematically prove that impulse equal to change in momentum? This is our M. We have to repeat it. Can you tell me? Remember, this is your once again we are doing. Those people who are absent also do it. How many people are not done in this experiment? Can you tell me or raise your hand? Raise your hand. How many people you have not done this experiment? Yes, any? How many of you have not done this impulse and momentum? Ankit? Ankit? Are you there or not? So have you done all experiment? Yes or no? Ankit Adak, have you done all experiment? Or why not you have written in your copy? Tell me why not you have written in your copy? Have you all, I am asking to all, have you all written all these experiment in your copy or not? Now why not you have written in your copy? I have already. Oh, just 5 or 6 days before you have got. That means you have with all experiment in your copy, in rough copy. In rough copy. Let us we have to do once again. Which one? Impulsion moment. Are you clear? Okay. Sensor calibration, linear actions I have not done. Astus Ranjan. So if time will permit, then you will do it. So how many people? So out of 65 students, can you tell me or raise your hand? How many people have not done the impulse and momentum? All of you have done.
Sir, go to people column, sir.
Yes.
Go to people column. You will see.
Yes. Only four. Gurman Singh, Sanat Patra, Shubham Acharya, Abhishek Raut, and Subhrakant Saha, Kamal Nayan. These are the people who have not done impulse and momentum. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Kirti Kiranjan also. So now tell me. Yes. So you people have to do today. Are you clear? Today we are going to do this experiment. So can you tell me how many people you have not done the linear acceleration? Please raise your hand. How many people? Linear acceleration, how many people you have not done? All of you have done.
Sir, scroll up.
Scroll up. Yes. Where? Yes, only two people. Kirti Kiran and I. Kirti Kiran, you have not done two experiment. Yes or no? Kirti Kiran. Okay. So you have not done two experiment here, linear acceleration and the impulse and momentum. You have not done two experiment.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So today you have to do the impulse and momentum. Clear? The all people, those people who have not done it, so please you have to. All people have to open your copy and we have to do once again. This one we have to repeat it. Are you clear? So now tell me, can you prove that the impulse equal to change in momentum? Can you prove it? So how? Tell me. Yes. 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 Okay. Yes. Okay. Will be. So now there are two types of collision is there. Are you clear? We are having proof here, impulse and momentum. There are two types of collision. One is elastic collision, another one is inelastic collision. Can you give one example of elastic collision? Which kinetic energy is conserved? Is not it? Both kinetic energy and momentum are conserved. Give me one example. Am I audible or not?
Sir, a ball colliding a wall.
Then what happened? How it will be your elastic collision? Tell me.
Sir, when the ball hits the wall, the kinetic energy is converted to potential energy, and when it rebounds, the potential energy again converts to kinetic energy.
Then okay. How do you know practically? Because when it rebounds, it again back to your hands, is not it?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Eh?
Yes,
Is
sir.
not it? Whenever you throw a ball to the wall, the ball again bounce back to your hand. It is your elastic collision. But if you the ball you have to throw to a sandy place, then what happened?
It stucks.
Yes, that means it is an inelastic collision, but not perfectly elastic and perfectly inelastic. That is separate things. Are you clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, please tell me the procedure to open this experiment, impulse and momentum. Tell me the procedure, how to open this experiment. Yes, one by one, step by step, you have to tell me. NI marks. Okay. It is taking time. It's taking more time. What happened? बहुत स्लो ଅଛି sir. Yes. Then tell me. Then where you have to go? Okay. I am clicking on there. Then okay, and I mind up. Those people who have not done it, please do it. Then okay. Self-text, you have to minimize it. Okay. Then you have to go to this PC, is not it? Then local disk C. Then okay. Impulse momentum. Program physics lab. Okay. Yes, then you have to click on the impulse and momentum theorem. Are you clear? Now, okay. So now you can see this manual. Please, you people have to write down all the experiment, whatever you are maintaining in your copy, rough copy. In your rough copy, as your sequence serially, you have written which is the experiment 1, 2, 3, 4. Like you have to maintain in your copy properly. Understand to me? Yes or no? You have right? Yes, yes. Which one you have done? As today is a repeat class. Are you clear? Some people have not write anything, but whenever I am asking you to do the calculation, you have to calculate it. Are you clear? Because you have done it. Very slow. Okay. So this one is those people who have not done it. You can see this experiment and also write down accordingly. So this one is your experiment, is not it? First of all, you write down the experiment whenever those people who have not written, and then you have to write down the materials required. Then this one is your theorem part. Are you clear? Up to impulse and momentum theorem, up to this much. Clear to me? Those people who have not done want to write now, or you can write down in your copy yourself. Hello? Some people have not done 4 or 5. Okay. So see that for this experiment, you have required a computer system with LabVIEW. The software is there, which you have to require to it. And MS Office Excel installed should be required to your computer. Second one is a Vernier motion detector. Are you understand about? Do you know about the function of motion detector or not? Can you tell me what it was? Yes, it calculates with respect to time, isn't it? By which you can find out the velocity as well as acceleration also there. And Vernier dynamic system cart, this one is a system cart is required. Vernier track means the cart is moving over a rail, that is called as Vernier path. And bumper and launcher kit, this one is a bumper launcher kit, this one, which contain a dual force sensor and the spring also there. A spring inside the kits we have to place it, which we have to place it inside here, and that is called as bumper and launcher kit. And NI MIDAC is the hardware, and Vernier MIDAC adapter is required for it. Are you clear about it? One adapter. Yes, you can see now. Can you see this one? Can you see this one? Yes or no? This one is a Vernier adapter, and NI MIDAC, this one. Can you see it or not? Can you see it? This one is NI MIDAC hardware is there, and these two things is required for you. Then, okay. So then we have to go for the two types of collision. This one for the elastic collision, this figure for the elastic collision, and this one for the inelastic collision. Understand about it? And before those people who have not done, you have to do, before doing this tabulation part, you have to do the calculation part, then you have to fulfill all this tabulation part. I have already told you. Is not it? Yes. Now let to be wait. I am going to set up this elastic collision setup. Please wait for 5 minutes. Yes. Yes. Can you see this instrument now or not? Hello?
Yes.
Can you see? Yes. So now tell me, what is this one? Yes, okay. And this one is here? Okay. What is inside the bumper and launcher kit? A dual force sensor and a spring is there. And this one is your vernier card. And what is this one? Vernier track. Okay. And can you tell me, this is set up for elastic collision or inelastic collision?
Elastic.
Elastic collision. Why it is elastic collision? See that when it collides with same speed, it returns, it bounce back. Thereby it is not stitch. Thereby it is an elastic collision. Understand to me? Can you see it? Yes, this is for elastic collision. And what we have to do, we have to go to this graph, and what we have to do, run this program. We have to run this program and applied some force on this body. See that the body is moving on, there strike and back it. Are you clear? Now you have to stop this one. Now those people who have done it, please tell me what I have to do. And those people who have not done it, please write down in your copy in steps. This is for your, you have to write down. Those people who have not done, write down the elastic collision. This is the observation / calculation one. Those people who have not done. Now please tell those people who have done what I have to do. Understand me, to me or not?
Go to force.
Yes, we have to first, because we are going to find out the impulse. For impulse, we have to require to know what is the force and delta value. Thereby, you have to go to this force. See that whenever this right side graph it is coming V shape, means your striking is correct. Now we have to go for the force. Now tell me what I have to do.
Take the interval in which
Yes. Yes, okay. See that in this graph, in y-axis is written as force in Newton and x-axis is time. So these two things you have to require: force, the amount of force applied on it. This is the amount of force you are applied, and this is the very short period you have to require. Thereby you can find out the impulse value. Thereby, we have to choose 6 to 6.5. 6, last one taking it, 6.5. Remember, you have to take 3 observations, but those people, can you tell me the other people, those who have not done? You want to take 3 observations or this observation is enough for you? Yes. Please raise your hand. How many people have not done this experiment? Once again. Yes. Gurman. Akars Bas Storaj. So are you writing it or not? Any other 3 or 4 person are there? Gurman. Gurman, yes. Kamal Nayan, okay. Remember, you have to write down. So, we have to choose. This is the amount we have to allot. We have to zoom this graph now. And thereby it is coming. You have to record which one is your before collision time and which one is your after collision time. Gurman, you have to write down. This one is your calculation part. The other people, then tell me what I have to do.
Export data to Excel.
Export
Yes.
to Excel.
You have to export it to Excel. See that. So Excel is opening now. Now tell me, you have to record the del T and average force. Can you tell me what is the T1 value and what is the T2 value? Okay. See that those people who have not done, please write down whether in force this one is your time column and this one is your force column. Whether the force start negative, that corresponding time take as T1. Am I audible to you or not? And please, you people have to write down T1 equal to 6.15. Now all people have to write down. On people, the other people have to write down. I want to see that if people are calculating. Thereby, those who have not done, they also write down. They also write down themselves. Are you clear? So please you have to write down T1 equal to 6.15. Have you written it? Gurman? Yes, sir. You've written. Then the other people. Kamal Narayan. Kamal Narayan. Yes, you write down T1 equal to this much. Then tell me what is your T2 value? Whether the minus sign and that corresponding time here is the letter I am marking here. This one is your T1 value. And people have to write down this one is your T1 value. And this one is your T2 value. Please tell me what is your T2 value. Yes. 6.37. Now, those people who have not done, please find out the del T. Have you getting the del T value or not? Yes or no? What is the del T you are getting? 0.22. Yes. Akash. So you people have to respond to me. Why not you respond? Pradeep, have not you done this experiment or not?
Done, sir.
You have done. But those people who have not done, why not they are not writing? Okay. Then what I have to do?
So take the average from the.
Then we have to require to know what is the average force. How I get the average force? Yes, select from this one to. Can we select it or not? Yes, from this one to this one. I'm just selecting the. I'm selecting the force one, not the time. If by chance you have to select the time, then average will be changes. Now tell me, you people have to write down what is the average force. Tell me.
Minus
0.62.
0.6243.
6. Yes, okay. So this one, see that those people who have not done, just below the Excel sheet, see here written as average force, but average is written, but there is a minus sign is there. Don't consider the minus sign because force has no minus sign, and you have to take up to 3 decimal. Understand to me? Thereby the average force will be 0.624. Can you find out the impulse or not? Yes or no? Please, all people, those who have not done, please first 4 or 5th student, please find out the first of all, go to your charted and tell me what is your Pradeep Kumar. Please, Akash, Kamal, Gurman. Please first find out what is the impulse value you are getting. This is the calculation part of impulse, and you are taking 3 observation. This is repeat for you people. I am repeating it. Gurman Singh. Okay. Please, other people have to calculate. 0.137. Where is the unit? Akash. Akash, is there any unit or not? Akash,
Yes, sir,
Akash.
Newton.
Akash. Yes, Gurman Newton second. Okay. So Akash and Gurman and Pradipta Kumar Pradhan. Yes, the other people, have you got this value or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
They are right. You are also getting this same value.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kamal Narayan. Okay. Then we go to find out the momentum value. For momentum value, where I have to go?
Velocity.
You have to go to this velocity. We have to take 3 observation because the other people have not done. Please tell me. Then what I have to do?
Time interval between 6.15 to 6.37.
You have to write down your 6.15 as initial time, 6.15, and your final time is 6.37. You have to insert it here, 6.37. Then this is the
Export to Excel.
yes. Then you have to, for getting data, you have to export it to Excel, and from this Excel you can get this velocity. Now tell me, what is the V1 value and what is the V2 value? V1 equal to yes. This one is your V1 value. Are you clear? And this one is your what? V2 value. So V2 will be 0.226. Okay, 226 you write out to 3 decimal you write down. Okay. Now, what is your change in velocity? I have told you for find out the change in velocity. See that this is when the car is moving in one direction. After collision, it is in back in opposite direction due to direction. Instead of subtracting, we have to add these two velocity. Thereby, we will get the change in velocity. Now, tell me what is your change in velocity? Yes.
Scroll up.
Hello. 0.257 you are getting. Do you understand? Kamal? Kamal? Akars? Have you understand how del V you are getting? Gurman? That means
So
instead of
that Delhi one, can you tell me again, sir?
I am telling you, normally, whenever you are find out the del V, you are what you are doing, V2 minus V1 you are doing. But here the card is moving in one direction. After collision, it is back in opposite direction due to of direction. Instead of subtracting, we have to add these two velocity. Thereby, we are getting the change in velocity. Understand to me? Okay. So this is the change in velocity by adding it. Now, the mass of this body, mass of the body means mass of the car, that is equal to 0.45. Now, can you tell me what is the, you have to chart me?
Hello. Actually, there was a little bit connectivity problem in the lab, so just wait. I am giving sir.
Hello. So you have already done this change in velocity. Are you clear? So just net problem is there. Please wait for a time which is not coming net problem due to current failure. The net is gone. Please wait for some time. Now, am I audible? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, am I audible now or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you have with you the change in velocity mass equal to, you have write down those people who have not absent. Please write down the mass equal to 0.45 kg. Is not it? So please find out the momentum value and chart me. All people have to chart me what is the momentum you are getting. And am I audible or not? Yes. Gurman Singh. So please, okay. Kg meter per second, okay. Deep. So have you calculated properly? In previous class you have done it or not? Then how you are getting 1.116? Okay, but you have written 1.116. अच्छा, okay, ठीक है. 0.116. What about to Kamal? Kamal is there or not? Paris?
Yes, sir.
Previous class you have done it or not?
Yes, sir. I've done it. Yes.
You have done. But Kamal, where is Kamal? Gurman Singh, okay. Kamal is there or not? Okay. So what about other? You people have not just calculated. The other people just calculated. You can, yes. Kamal, Kamal Narayan? Kamal Narayan. Oh, so what is the value you are getting? Network issue. Okay, now other people have to see that here the I equal to 0.137 and momentum equal to 0.116. Is not it? It is nearly equal or not? And some difference due to of some instrumental error. Understand? But here impulse equal to change in momentum. You have this one you have to prove. Clear to me? Then Astus Ranjan. Okay. Astus, previous class you have done it or not?
Yes, sir.
You have done. So those people who have done, they are doing. The people, those who have not done, they are not. Only Gurman Singh and Kamal, you people have done, calculated. The other people, where is? Okay. So the once again you have to see, we have to take the second observation of elastic collision. You people, those people who have not done it, please write down in your copy. Again, we have to run this one, return it and stop this program. We have to go to the force. Do you understand? And this one is your 3.5. Now, all the people start calculating. Are you clear? Let I am choosing here 3.6 to 4.3. 4.3 or 4.2. Okay. Now we have to export it to Excel. All the people now you try to calculate it. Now Gurman, tell me what is the T1 value?
3.74.
3 point, yes, you write down. Gurman, previous class you have done it or not?
Sir.
Yes.
No, sir, I have not done.
Achha, now write down 3 point whether the minus sign start, that corresponding time. This is second observation of elastic collision. 3 point T1 you have to write down as 3.74. Similarly, you have to take last observation. Now tell me what is your T2 value?
4.1.
4.11. Is not it?
Yes, sir, 4.11.
Now del T equal to what is del T value? Are you getting? Have you got it or not?
0.37.
Yes, 0.37 you are getting as del T. Okay. Then we have to find out the average force. We have to select from initial force to final force. Now tell me what is your average force?
0.637.
687. Are you clear?
It was showing 3.
Yes, okay. Now calculate and send me what is your impulse value. All people, send me what is your impulse value. Because impulse equal to average force into del T. How much? Yes, of course. 0.254 Newton second. Okay. What about the others? Gurman Singh, okay. Okay. So these people are calculating. What about the others? Now, Nilesh Ranjan Naik. Okay. Now, this is repeat class. Remember, we don't have to, once again, we have to do this experiment. So please you have to properly you have to listen and do it. So now we are going to find out the momentum. For find out the momentum, we have to go to this velocity. Now, what is your initial time in this condition? 3.74. And what is your T2 value? You have to insert this T2 value 4.11. Now export it to Excel, and you are getting this, and you are getting the. So then what is your V1 value? 0.3312. And what is your V2 value? 0.284. Is not it? Now del V equal to how much? 0.596. Is not it? Is not it or not?
Yes,
Then please,
yes, sir.
then chart me what is the momentum value. Please chart me what the momentum you are getting. Yes, get the meter percent. 0.268. This is the value we are getting for second observation of elastic collision. Are you clear? Then we have to take for third observation. Gurman Singh, okay? For going for the third observation. Remember, those people are absent. This experiment is done for them, and the people have to write down all the data. This is last observation of elastic collision. We have to run this program once again, apply some force there, return and stop it, and we have to go for this force. There we have to select 3.6. Last one 4.2. Okay, and export it to Excel, and this Excel value. Now this one is your T1 value. Now tell me what is your T1 value?
3.74.
Okay. Then what is your T2 value?
4.1.
4.1. So what is, yes, what is your delta value? 0. Yes, 0.36. This is the last observation of elastic collision. Remember, then we have to find out the average force.
Hello, Samriddhi,
Yes,
Asutosh.
yes, sir, you are audible. Sir.
Hello, am I audible, Asutosh?
Sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible,
Okay,
sir.
just giving to Sir again the connectivity file.
Again, the connectivity is lost. Are you clear?
So wait.
Understand? The connectivity is lost. Please wait. Are you clear?
ଆସିଲା
Off କରି on କରିଦିଅ।
ଆଉ କର
Yes, am I audible now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So we have to start again. What is your average force is written? You have already calculated del T, then average force is how much? Here is written just below the Excel sheet 0.73. Have you written? And chart me what is the impulse value you are getting. Have you calculated? Have you written the average value or not? Yes, please chart me what is the impulse value you are getting. This is the last observation of elastic collision. Then inelastic we have to take. Yes, 0 point. Yes, once again, deep you have deep. Okay, deep chola. Yes, yes, okay. Chaula. Hmm. So it is your 0.263 Newton second. So okay, the people are calculating. That means this is the impulse value. Deep Chaulya. Okay. Then we have to find out the momentum. We have to go for the velocity. Then we have to insert the initial time and final time. 3.74 is your initial time and 4.1 is your final time. Is not it? Yes or no? Yes. Then export it to Excel, and from this Excel you can get the value of V1. What is the V1 value? 0.338. Is not it? Yes or no? And what is your V2 value? 0.31. Okay. Then what is del V?
0.656.
Yes, okay. Then mass equal to 0.45. Please go to your charter and chart me what is the momentum value you are getting. Then we have to do for inelastic collision. See, collision we have to take for inelastic. This is the observation we are taking for those people who have not done it, and they have to write down this calculation. Yes, okay. 0.295. Okay, kg meter per second. Okay, Harish Chandra. Okay. Nilesh Ranjan Nayak. Okay. Okay, now come to this one. Those people who have not done previous class. So first of all, you write down this calculation part, then this tabulation part you have to write down. Can you understand it or not? For elastic collision, you have taken 3 collision, 3 trial you have taken, 3 observation you have taken. And in your copy, there is final velocity is there, initial velocity is there, change in velocity is there. You have already calculated. Average for force also display by the computer. And impulse del T, you have also duration of impulse, you have also calculated. Impulse equal to F into del T, change in momentum, you have current difference between impulse and momentum. Can you do it or not? The other people, those who have not done. Am I audible? So those people who have not done, can you fulfill this observation table or not? But before doing the observation table, this calculation we have to write in your copy. Now we have to take for inelastic collision. Observation for inelastic collision. We have to take 3 observation for inelastic collision. Please wait. We have to take 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes will take time. Now you have to write down an inelastic collision. This is for inelastic collision. Observation slash calculation 1 you have to write down. Similarly, you have to take 3 observation of this one. Understand to me? What we have to do? Run this program. Apply some force. See that it is coming. V shape means we have to stop this program. Then we go for the force. This is 4.2 and this one is 4.7. Understand? Understand or not? 4.7 we are taking and export it to Excel. See that. Now, can you tell me anyone that which one is your T1 value? Anyone?
4.2.
Yes.
4.2, sir.
4.35.
4.3. Okay. See that in this condition, what you have to see first, some value of force are coming as constant. Then whether the drastic change is coming, that corresponding time take as T1. Please you have to write down T1 equal to write down 4.3. Okay. Have you written or not?
Yes, sir.
Then tell me what is your T2 value? Okay. Then what is your del T? Those people who have not done, please write down. See that in your T2, you have to go for downward to upward. See that this one is a drastic change, 4.57, and this one is your T2 value. This is coming nearby constant, and this one is your drastic change. Now del T value is how much?
0.26.
0.27. Yes, okay. Then we have to find out the average force. And what is your, now tell me, what is your average? 8.37. So now please find out the impulse and go to your chart. Yes, but you don't have to take to decimal, you have to change. Yes, I have told you. Yes or no? But don't write that one. You have to write down whatever it is coming. Are you clear? It is because of we know what is our problem actually. Are you clear? But don't change the decimal. Whatever result is coming, you have to write down. We know that.
Sir, I have already written it.
What in your copy you have written?
Yes, sir.
Last time you have written in a rough copy, is not it? Have you written your fair copy or not?
Sir, I have written.
Those people who have written, no problem. But those people who have not written, please write down this one. Are you clear? Whatever result is coming, because
Okay, sir.
Yes. Those people who have written, there's no problem for it. So now tell me, what is your impulse value? Nilesh. So it is a 2.260. Are you clear? Newton second. Okay, whatever it is coming right on, we know what is our problem in our set. Thereby, whatever result is coming, you have to write down. All of you clear about it? Then we go for the momentum. For the momentum, we have to go for the velocity. There we have to click on this part 4.3 and you have to take 4.57 and you have to export it to Excel. Those people who have written, so then no problem, but those people who have written it, please write down this calculation part. Are you understand to me? Yes. Now the V1 value will be your 0.033. Are you clear? And V2 value will be 339. So what is your del V? Same the procedure. Okay, now please go to your chart and chart me what is the momentum value you are getting. This is the first observation is completed 0.167. Okay, whatever you are getting. Whatever you are getting, you have to write down. Then you have to take another two observations. Previous class I have told this, told that you don't have to decimal point, you have to change it, but you don't write down that part. You have to do whatever the result is coming, you have to write down. Okay. So here is little bit difference, we know it. Then we go for the second observation of inelastic part.
हाँ आयुष गुड आफ्टरनून बोलो हाँ ठीक है तुम आओ 5 बजे एक मेरा मीटिंग है मतलब प्रोफेसर दामोदर आचार्य के साथ तो वही यूनिवर्सिटी में है मैं उधर ऊपर चला जाऊंगा तुम ठीक साथ अभी मैं लेबोरेटरी में हूँ चाहे 15 को यूनिवर्सिटी जाऊंगा तो you come at sharp at 4:45 it will be a little bit earlier also it's okay.
Okay,
And,
now we have to
further
run
to
this
this
program
other
once
kind of
again.
elements, okay?
We have to run this program once again. And what we have to do, we have to, so again it is coming V7 means your striking is correct. You have to stop it. Now go for the, so now it is coming in 3.9. We are choosing the time 3.9. Last one choosing 4.4. 4.4 and export it to Excel now. And see, now tell me which one is your T1 value?
4.03.
4.03. Okay.
4.03.
Okay, write down. T1 equal to 4.03. Have you written? And tell me what is your T2 value? Yes, 4.28. You have to write down as T2 value and del T will be how much?
0.2.
0.25, is not it? Now we have to select up to OS. What is your average force? 1.878. Now, please find out the impulse. Go to the impulse value and chart to me. Yes, sorry, Swift. What is impulse value? .4 Gurman Singh. Okay, 0.470. Okay. What about the others? Nilesh Chandra Naik, Harish Chandra. Okay. Yes, okay. Then we go for the find out the momentum value and velocity. You have to click on it and inserting the time 4.03 and this one is your 4.28. 4.28. Okay. Now export it to Excel and in this Excel now V1 will be how much? 0.007. What is the V2 value? 0.293. And what is the del V? Yes.
0.3.
0.3.
And what is the momentum value? Chart me, what is the momentum value you are getting? Then we have to take last observation of this one. Gurman Singh 0.135. kg meter per second. Okay. Okay. So whatever the result you are getting, you have to write down. Now last observation. Okay. Truptiman. So now last observation of inelastic collision we are going to take. What we have to do? Again, we have to run this program. We have to apply some force there. So it is coming B shape means correct. You have to stop it. Go for the force, and I am choosing 4.5. Last one choosing it 4.9. Okay. Now export it to Excel. You can come to know that. Now tell me which one is your
4.59.
4.59. Okay. Choose a T1 equal to 4.59. Have you written or not? And what is the T2 value? Yes. 4.85 is your T2 value. And what is your del T? Yes.
0.26.
0. How it will be 0.26? T2 will be how much?
T2 is 4.85.
4.85 or 89.
8.5.
Then what is T1 value?
4.5.
Oh, then what is the value? 0. Yes, 0.26. Okay. Okay. Then write down the average force 1.708. Is not it? Yes or no? Now go to your charted and chart me what is the impulse value you are getting. Yes. Then common line, okay. Then we are going for the momentum value. Insert the time here 4.59. Another one is here 4.85. What we have to do, export it to Excel. And this is the, so what is your B1 value? 0.001, is not it? Yes or no? And what is your B2 value? 0.301. Now what is del B? 302. 0 point, is not it? Yes, okay, that you can write down what is the 8.8, 4.84 you have to write down. Mass equal to 0.45. So what is the momentum value? Tell me and chart me. Yes. Whatever result you are getting, you have to write down in your copy. Do you understand? Those people who have not done previous class, are you understand about this experiment or not? And now in this tabulation part, you can also write down the inelastic, what is the data is there. Are you clear to me? So tell me, those people who are absent previous classes, any doubt remaining of this experiment, about this experiment?
No, sir.
Yes. No. So this is the repeat class before the mid-semester is start. And you people have to write down in your copy. First of all, before doing this tabulation part, you have to write down the calculation part. Understand to you? First of all, you have to write down the aim of the experiment, then materials required, then the theory part means impulse momentum theorem to up to this mathematical equation, up to this one equation. Then you have to write down this calculation part. After calculation part, you have to do this tabulation part. Then conclusion you have to write down. Are you understand to me? Yes or no? Yes. Please wait.
ଆହୁରି 20 ମିନିଟ୍ ଅଛି ଯେ। ହଁ
Sorry.
କଣ କରିବ?
ଆରେ
ଆରେ ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି କହୁନ? ଥିଓରି ପାଠ ଆଣିଥିଲେ ସିନା କି କଣ? What are the experiments done? Yeah. How you have prepared preparing for the new semester?
Have you prepared about the mid semester or not? Yes. Have you prepared?
How many chapters are expected? You believe just 5 minutes more.
Tell me. Are you prepared? All of you prepare about this mid semester or not? Then when you to prepare? That two days is remaining. Have you got the program or not? Yes, Monday is also exam. Yes or no? So time is which time? Which time? 1 hour. Then how you have to write down the what answer you have to write down and you have to send to this with email by email. Yes or no? Now how you have to at the time of examination you are getting the information. So this one for all of your first year students you are getting this time exam time is 12 to 1 or different time is there.
No, sir.
All students, every student. So when it will be over? Oh, 10 to 20 February. Okay. 15 to 25, 5 days. 16 is holiday. Okay. So this is about the experiment. Then, if possible, then I will do the another one. I have to repeat it. That is your linear acceleration. Understand? So have you done in your copy, in your graph copy about the graph of linear acceleration? Have you done it or not? Graph.
No, sir.
Why not you have done this graph in your graph paper?
You have not told about
Yes, sir,
graph.
done.
I have already told you in x-axis you have to take a time in second. I have already given four observation I given to you. 4 observation I have given, and I have told you that any one about a 4 parabola you have to do any one graph. Is not it? I am telling about the linear acceleration. So you have not done this graph.
Yes, sir, I have done.
Yes, some people, one person is done. Then what about the other? Then how do you submit your copy?
Sir, when we have to submit?
I think very quickly. I think very quickly. We have to tell you that you have to submit your copy within after the mid semester. I think after the mid semester, the message will go that you have to submit your copy. Understand? Then
Give a brief idea about sensor calibration.
yes. Anyone want to tell?
So give brief introduction about sensor calibration and linear regression.
Acha. Linear regression. You have not done that, but yes or no? Have you done this experiment? Sensor calibration linear. This one. Have you done it or not?
No, sir.
So sir will there will time will be there, and sir will, you have to request to sir that we have not done, I have not done this experiment, please for me. You have to request it. Are you clear?
To whom, sir?
Nachiketa sir, your theory teacher. Are you clear to me? Yes. Though sir is taking to your theory, you have to ask to sir, I have not done this one, please for me you have to arrange it. Okay, understand or not?
Okay, sir.
Okay, but if people have to draw the graph, it's just like this one. This one you have to take in this graph paper, graph sheet is there. Like linear acceleration, you have to do this graph. Understand? Linear acceleration, you have to need to do the graph. So, what do I have to do now? Please tell me, anyone, what you want to know now?
Sir, in the exam days, classes will be held.
Yes, classes will be suspended. Are you clear? No class will be there up to 15
Yes,
to
sir.
20. Class will be suspended. All class will be suspended.
Okay, sir.
So those people, I'm asking those people who have not understand about this, those who first class are absent in in-person momentum, are all of they are understand it or not, or any doubt about it? 1 second, please tell me. Please raise your hand who has not done done the what? Previous class. You have not done the impulse and momentum. 1 second, please raise your hand, please. 1 second. Those people who have not done the previous class, you have not done the impulse and momentum. Please raise the 1 second. I want to ask something else. Yes. None of you there? And those people who have not previous classes are absent. I think they are not there. They will understand what they. 1 second, please raise your hand. Okay. Okay. Then can we want to leave this meeting? Please, one by one, leave the meeting. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.